I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite primers. Now, primer is a step that I never ever miss while I'm doing my makeup because I really feel that it makes my makeup last longer, it makes my makeup look better, and it also helps in filling in my pores because I do have a lot of pores all over my cheeks. So priming is a step that I never ever miss. I know there are a lot of makeup artists and bloggers who sort of skip priming and feel that it's not very important, but I can never ever do my makeup without priming. I have never gone a day without using a primer. So even if I'm using a BB cream or just a compact, I always have a primer on. Otherwise, I don't see the point in putting on my makeup. So today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite primers that I think work amazingly. So all the primers that I'm going to be talking about are from the drugstore and they really work. So there are two things that I look for in a primer for my specific skin type. I always want my primer to be matte. Although I have normal to dry skin, I don't have oily skin at all, I still always want my primer to be matte, and I do have a lot of pores on my cheeks, so I always want my primer to be pore filling and something that really makes my skin look even. So yeah, these are the two things that I've kept in mind while picking all these primers. So if you want to know my top 5 favorite primers, then please keep on watching. So the first primer on my list is the Miss Claire Professional Makeup Primer, which is the anti-redness version. This is their clear variant. They do get a tinted one, but I any day prefer this over that because I prefer wearing a clear primer than anything tinted. So this is actually priced at rupees 250 or 275, I'm not really sure, but I bought it for around 475 because this is not available at its actual price online, and I stay in Chennai, so there's no store currently who sells Miss Claire. But if you're from Mumbai, Delhi or Bangalore, you do have stores there where you get Miss Claire primer, so you will find this at its actual price. But otherwise, I still feel it's worth the 475 rupees because this works amazingly. So this is very silicone-y, so this helps in making my skin look much more even. This covers up my pores really well, and I do have a lot of pores on my cheeks. This helps in keeping my skin matte, which is another thing that I look for in a primer, and this is very cost effective and it lasts for a really long time. So this is my first tube which is over. I do have another tube which I can't find right now, but yeah, I did repurchase this. So yeah, this is my favorite S primer for the price point, for the way it works, for everything. The second primer on my list is a Revlon Photo Ready Prime Plus Anti-Shine Primer. Now the only reason this is on number 2 is because of the price point. This is priced at rupees 1700, which I think is a lot, like a lot for a drugstore primer. So this product comes along with a sponge. So the product is right here and the sponge is right here. So you can just take it and apply it all over your face. Now this primer is the best drugstore primer of all. Like, this is definitely the best one, but only because of the price point it's on number 2. So this is really mattifying. Like, my skin is normal to dry, and the only time my skin gets oily is when I sweat, and this does not make my makeup budge. Like, this really helps in making my makeup last even when I'm sweating, and I've seen the difference. Like, the same product with a different primer will start budging, but with this primer it does not budge, and that's why I absolutely love this. Like, when I finish my skincare routine, when I put this on, my skin looks so matte and so smooth. Like, guys, you have to try this to know how smooth it makes your skin, and that's why I love it. The price point is horrible. Like, I hate it being so expensive, but I'm still gonna repurchase this because this is so true to its word and it works brilliantly for me. So yeah, this is the second primer on my list. The third primer on my list is the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This is priced at rupees 885, which I think is slightly decent. It's good enough for a primer. So this is again a clear primer, very silicone-y, and it's very similar to the Miss Claire primer in the consistency and in the way it applies. I feel this is slightly lighter feeling than this slightly feels heavy. If you have to compare, this is still light, but when compared to this, it feels slightly heavy. So this is super light, you won't feel like you have anything onto your skin, and this again helps in covering in my pores. So the reason why this is a number 3 and not a number 2, because this is extremely mattifying, and this does not make my skin as matte as this one does. So yeah, this is another great primer, and you can definitely use it for dry as well as oily skin. The fourth primer on my list is the Lakme Absolute Blur Makeup Primer. So this is priced at rupees 650, which I think is very affordable. Now this primer has a slight tint to it. Like, if you can see, it's slightly pinky. But when you spread this out and make it even, this goes into your skin and it becomes very transparent. But this has a slight, very slight brightening property to it, which I like. It does not make me look fairer, but it makes my skin a little brighter. I hope you guys know the difference. And that's why I really like this primer, because this gives that slight boost to my skin and it's extremely mattifying. Now this does not cover in my pores as much as the other primers do, and that's why it's on number 4. But if you are someone who doesn't have too many pores and you just want your primer to make your skin even and matte, then this will really work for you. So yeah, this is another great primer, and I'm really happy that Lakme is coming out with so many nice products. The older Lakme products are something that I don't like, to be honest, but the newer Lakme products are amazing, and this primer is a really good primer to go for. The last primer on my list is the L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. Now this is priced at rupees 995, which is a very okayish price. I still feel it's on the expensive side. So this comes in a bottle like this, and you have the product inside. So now I don't like the packaging, to be honest, because the product goes into my nails and it gets contaminated, and that's why it's on number 5. The formula is amazing. It makes my skin really matte. It does fill in my pores, and the consistency is very similar to the Revlon one, but it does have a slight color to it and it gives that brightening property. But if you are someone who has a really deep skin tone, this might make your face look slightly white. Not really white, but slightly white. So when you use this with a BB cream or with a compact, it won't work for you. But if you're using this under a foundation, it will work for you. But if you are someone with a fairer or a medium skin tone, this won't make your skin look any brighter. I really like the formula, but the price point is a little expensive, and that's why it's on number 5. There are 2 more products that I would like to talk about. So these are not primers, but they work really well as primers. So if you are someone who doesn't want to buy a separate primer but still wants your makeup to last longer, then these products would really help. So the first one is the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm, and the second one is the Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. You can actually use any aloe vera gel, but this is the one that I like using. So the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm is something that works really well to make your makeup last longer. This does not fill in your pores, so that's why I use this, and I use some of the primer over top. This just doesn't do the job for me because I have a lot of pores, but otherwise this is a great primer to start out with. And yeah, it really makes your makeup last longer, and it also makes your skin look a little smooth, which is something that I like. So the Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel or any other aloe vera gel that you like using will make your makeup last longer again. It makes your skin feel a little pulled, so that also gives the illusion of your skin being a little tighter, and when you're wearing makeup over tight looking skin, it makes your makeup look much nicer. This also is a little tacky on the skin, so when you wear makeup over top, this will make your makeup last longer. So this product is really good to make your makeup last longer, and it also helps in making your skin look a little more snatched, so your skin looks much nicer and tighter. So guys, those were my top 5 favorite primers. I really hope this video helps you in picking your perfect primer, and if you want me to do any other top 5 videos, don't forget to comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.